Mirsa, and you're in the right place if you want to increase your knowledge or if you are interested to know about few facts that you have never imagined before. Humans are the only animals that blush. We are also believed to be the only animal that feels embarrassment, a complicated emotion requiring understanding others' opinion and perspective. Charles Darwin called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions, while Mark Twain said, "Man is the only animal that blushes, or needs to." The fear of long words. Aside from the old phobias, like the fear of water and height, there's also a phobia for long words. It's crazy and ironic, since the spelling of this phobia is an extremely long word, and this is
Hippopotamonstrosesquiptaliophobia.
They are different cow accents. Like us human beings, we speak in different languages, and if we talk, we all have distinct accents. But that's because of our diverse and unique words. But with cows, it is somehow the same. Even though they only say, they also have different accents depending on which region they belong to. Slapping is a sport. As funny as it sounds, Russia hosted a slapping competition last March 2019, and the mechanics are to slap the hardest or to survive a long period of hard slapping the face. The sport was played in a tournament style and will have a last man standing system. Only two mammals like spicy food: humans and the tree shrew. Just one second. If you guys don't know who the tree shrews are, so the picture is on your screen. While humans have long had the rare distinction of being the only mammal that actually enjoys spicy food, so that list has seen a new addition. As a study by Chinese researchers found that tree shrews have a mutation in their ion channel receptor, which makes it less sensitive to the hot chemical in chili peppers. As a result, the adorable critters happily gobbled up corn pellets laced with capsaicin, which other mammals in the study avoided them. Capsaicin are the compounds that give pepper their spices. The human body literally glows. It might be hard to see with your naked eye, but everyone you pass by every day is literally glowing. The human body emits a small quantity of visible light. Visible in the technical sense, the illumination is about 1,000 times less intense than level of light that we would actually be able to see. Researchers in Japan used a special camera to track this glow and found that it fluctuates throughout the day, with the body emitting its lowest level of light around 10 am and highest at around 4 pm, a rhythm the scientists attribute to the changes in one's metabolism. Shakespeare invented more than 1,000 words. Shakespeare wrote some of the most beloved and revered pieces of literature the world has ever known. But in order to craft his plays and poems, he sometimes resorted to making up his own words. In fact, the bard is said to have come up with more than 1,000 words, including moonbeam, laughable, eyeball, bump, pucking, champion, bedroom, excitement, and zen. The fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of your mouth. It's pretty common to be afraid of heights and scared of spiders. But if you have arachnophobia, you are among the smaller groups of people that suffer from a fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of their mouths. This phobia is often connected to a fear of choking or a fear of sticky textures, but it can also be its own isolated fear. There's a planet that's shaped like a potato. Not every celestial object has a shape that's as perfectly majestic as planet Earth. In fact, some of them are downright hilarious to look at. Take Haumea, for example. This dwarf planet is cool for a number of reasons. About the same size as Pluto, Haumea orbits the Sun beyond Neptune and has rings similar to Jupiter. But what makes this object even more interesting is that it's shaped like a potato. If any of these informations were new to you, or if they make you laugh. So like this video, and as well as if you know that your friends also like to know about new and different facts, so share this video with your friend. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.